Hey everyone, Austin Fenner here, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 Jayco 245 RLSW. We'll just take a look around the outside. Up front you got two 5-gallon propane tanks, electric tongue jack, makes it nice and easy to lift it up and down, and a spot for two batteries. Because this unit has a slide room, we include two batteries on there for you. Nice large pass-through, goes all the way through. Electric awning, and then you have your outside speakers in there. Outside 110 plugs, cable satellite hookups. This is where you'll put your fresh water in. You just open up that cap there, put your hose in, fill it up. And over here you have your 110 plugs in your cable connection. So if you have a table outside, you can put a TV out here, plug it in, kind of have like a little tailgater outside. As you come around, you got the back bumper, you got the holder for the spare tire on there, ladder so you can go up and check your roof seals out, and it's backup camera prepped, which is nice. This one has a short cord that you can just push back in, so you don't have to lug it around and find a place to store it. And then you have a outside shower, your city water connection, and a black tank flush, which is always nice to have to clean out the holding tanks. So we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside here. So as you notice, as you come over, you got a nice big grab handle that you can grab onto to come inside. When you first come in, you got a couple light switches, your awning and your slide room extensions all right there. Big hallway storage. As you come in, nice big counter space. Your monitor panels here, your water pump, your water heater is all controlled right there. Some more overhead storage. Nice big back window. The windows on the side allows lots of light in here, so when you're camping over at the coast you get a great view. Nice couch, dinette. The dinette will fold down into another sleeping area. There's your stereo system, and you do have a spot to mount a TV right here on the wall with some more storage. Nice big bathroom here that'll wrap around into the bedroom. You got the glass shower surround, so having that there, when that's closed, it retains lots of water so it doesn't splash out everywhere. Good sized medicine cabinet. You have another spot in here to mount a TV on the wall in the bedroom, and two storages on each side of the bed. So once again, my name is Austin Fenner. If you have any questions about the unit, please give me a call. My cell phone number is 541-972-2484, or you can reach it at the link below. Thank you.